I'm Doug Robinson.
I'm Ginny Robinson.
I met Peter at the squash club, and so I saw some of the work that he did on other places. We liked what he did, so we called him up and set him up.
First one was the shed at the back.
Then a friend of mine had this idea. She said, it'd be nice to have a man cave. And he said, well, why don't you put it under the garage? So that's a good idea. So he sort of gave us a running total so that we knew exactly what was being spent on materials, on labor, on who did the work, how many hours, all that kind of stuff. So it was very transparent is the word.
Overall, it was a very smooth process. I would say that Premier is a step above because of their subcontractors and how professional they are. Incredible. Electrician, the plumber, everybody was just phenomenal. Very easy to get along with, communicated very well, addressed any concerns that we brought up immediately. It was great. Trust was a major factor. Everything is always left very clean. And if they had to leave something, they would always tell us why it had to be that way until it would be cleaned up the next day. Peter was always there to give us input very regularly.
He became part of the family.
He would always check in with us, either by phone, and then he'd say, I'm just going to pop by to see how things are going.
Bring coffee.
And yeah, he would bring coffee, always nice. And he would be in contact with his subcontractors if it was something that we wanted addressed immediately. Well, we knew we wanted it to match the house, so we got a hold of our stucco guy. And I mean, they had a lot of input with ideas that would make things better for us in the long run.
Yep. Lifetime warranty.
Anytime that there was anything that, I was concerned about, that a little ding here or there, they always fixed it.
Yeah.
So, and Peter has always said, if there's anything we need, just call him.
Yep.
So he stands behind his product.
Yep.
His professionalism, his communication skills were great.
His attention to detail, built it the German way. Everything was always done more than necessary, which, when you're building something like this, and you want that because it shows in the final product. I blew everybody away at a party we had last weekend, and they're still talking about it. So we would absolutely recommend Premier Quality Renovations, both myself and my wife.
100%.